Good morning children. Come to our next session. Class 4 Grammar second lesson Kinds of Nouns. This is the fourth part. Before 3 parts we completed that. The lesson's name is Kinds of Nouns. We already understood and learned singular noun and plural nouns. You understood already. Then second one, masculine noun and feminine noun. It's categorized to boy or girl. Then this is number of nouns. One means singular means one and plural means more than one. Here boys and girls. Here proper noun and common noun. Again now we are going to learn collective nouns. What is collective noun? The definition of collective noun is collective nouns are nouns used for a collection of persons, animals, or things. See the definition, children. Collective nouns are nouns used for a collection of persons, animals, or things. We are saying a ship. Group of sheep, what will say? A person, group of persons, what will say? A flower, group of flower, what will say? So we see the examples here, children. Here A, here we are saying A only. Crowd of, here examples. Crowd of people. A crowd of people means when for a meeting or any function or cinema hall, any worship places, we are seeing not a person. Many persons are there, many people are there. So that we will say a crowd of people. Crowd, many peoples, many persons. We will say crowd. Crowd. What is this? Crowd. A crowd of people means many people gathered in a place. That is a crowd of people. This is the collection of collective nouns. This is collective noun. The next example, a bunch of grapes. You will understand that when you are buying, you are not getting a one grape, you are getting bunch of grapes, bunch of banana. Even you are counting the 6 or 12, that is dozen or half dozen or 1 dozen, that also we are getting in a bunch. Okay, that is bunch of grapes. We are getting the grapes in a bunch. This is also collective noun. The next one is a herd of elephants. If you are seeing a group of elephants are there, when we are going to the zoo park, we can see the group of elephants. More than one or 10 or 20 like, we will say herd of elephants. These are the examples of collective nouns. Collective nouns means we are saying about the group of persons, animals or things. Isn't it, children? So when you are buying a matchbox, how many sticks are there in? We can't buy a single stick in the matchbox. We are buying a box of matchsticks. Understood, children? These are the examples. Now we will see the textbook examples. You will get the more examples here. Now we are doing the textbook exercise, page number 80. First one is a dash of ants. Dash of ants. What will say, children? A nest. Nest of ants. We are getting many ants here that we can see. Say that nest of ants. The next one is a dash of pups. Many pups you are seeing at a time. What will say? Litter. L-I-T-T-E-R. Litter of pups. The next, number 3. A dash of bees. When we are seeing a beehive, we can see many bees. What we will say, you know? Here we say swarm. S-W-E-A-R-M. Swarm of bees. Then is number 4. Fourth one is a dash of ships. We can see the ships in the sea or ocean, on the water. So many ships we are seeing. We will see that, say that fleet. F-L-E-E-T. Fleet. A fleet of ships. Then number 5. A dash of cards. What is the meaning of cards, children? Playing cards. What will? Can you buy a single cards? No, that you are getting when you are asking or buying from the shop. You are getting that a pack of cards. A pack. You are getting a packet. That is a pack of cards. Then is number 6. A dash of notes. Currency. When you are saying bundle, so many notes, what you will say? No, wad. W-A-D. Watch. Watch of notes. The next, number 7. A dash of sheeps. Sheep. A dash of sheep. When the shepherd is leading, many sheep are there. So that will say a flock. F-L-O-C-K. A flock of sheep. Many sheep we are seeing that. That will say a flock of sheep. Then number 8. A dash of books. When we can see many books all together in a one place, that we will say that library. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. Library. A library of books. Library of books. Number 9. Number 9. A dash of sailors. Sailors means the persons who is working in a ship. Isn't it, children? Sailors means we will say crew. C-R-E-W, crew. A crew of sailors. They are working in the ship. That we will call the sailors. Then number 10. A dash of houses. When we are going in a colony, we can see many houses. That is in a row. Row. What will say? R-O-W, row. A row of houses. The next 11th one. A dash of thieves. 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 When the thieves are coming for the theft, they are coming not a one person. They are coming in a group. That we will say the gang. G-A-N-G. Gang. What will say? A gang of thieves. G-A-N-G. Gang. Then next number 12th one. A dash of stamps. You know stamps, children. In the previous time we used that stamps for the postal department. Not. So what will say? A collection. Collection of stamps. Collection of stamps. The next 13th one. A dash of players. For the players, cricket, for football, volleyball. So what will say? One team, first team, second team. We are saying like this. So the team of players. For the collective noun is team. T-E-A-M, team. A team of players. For a game, 2 team will be there. That is must. Okay, for a game. Then next number 14. A chest dash of drawers. For a table we are pulling a drawer. So that will say chest. Many columns are there. We will say the chest. A chest of drawers. Then next number 15. Number 15. A dash of students. Students, that means a class of students. What will say? Class. A class of students. Then number 16. A dash of bananas. When you are buying dozen bananas or half dozen bananas, how that bananas are growing in a bunch. That will say bunch. B-U-N-C-H, bunch. A bunch of bananas. Then next, number 17. A dash of dolphins. Where do we see the dolphins, children? In the sea. They are coming to the seashore with a group. The group of dolphins, we will say that school. You are also school. Then 18th one. A dash of teachers. The group of teachers, we will say that staff. Staff of teachers. Staff means many teachers. The next 19th one, a dash of monkeys. Many monkeys, that will say troop. Troop, troop. A troop of monkeys. The next one is 20th one, a dash of musician. Musician, musicians, musicians. Group of musician means singing songs, and that will say band. A band of musicians. So children, these are the collective nouns. Collective noun means with the nouns which is used for the group of persons, things or animals. Here we learned that some examples. Once again, a nest of ants, a nest of ants, a litter of pups, then a swarm of bees, a fleet of ships, a pack of carts, a ward of knots, a flock of sheep, a library of books, a crew of sailors, a row of houses, a gang of thieves, a collection of stamps, a team of players, a chest of drawers, a class of students. Next, a bunch of bananas, a school of dolphins, a staff of teachers, a troop of monkeys, a band of musicians. These are the collective nouns. We used it for the group of persons, things or animals. 20 exercises are there, children. You write it in the classwork and homework book. Read well, children. Thank you.